My name is Ramses Ajus, and today we will be reviewing and disassembling the FMK 9C1 second generation compact 9mm pistol. These pistols come in three different colors. We can see the black pistol, the pink pistol, and the dark haired pistol. When you buy your gun, you have the ability to choose if you want the Bill of Rights printed on them, as we can see on this black pistol. The pistols have a loaded rev out indicator and also an accessory rail. On the black one, we can see the torch mounted on the accessory rail. The guns can either come in single action trigger or double action trigger, all for the same price. The guns come for a nice price of 570 euros and have a lifetime warranty. For this nice price, the guns come in a very heavy duty case with heavy duty clips, as we can see. In the case, we find obviously a gun. We also find a user's manual. We find two 14 round magazines. Seven extra sights. You can see two extra sights for elevation, and 5 back sights for left and right, so there is no need for drifting. We also find a bottle of G96 oil. That is the FMK 9C1 second generation compact 9mm pistol. Thank you. Now we are going to see how to disassemble the FMK 9C1. First, you pull back the slide and push down the 2 buttons on each side. You fire the trigger and it will easily slide off. You pull the spring out, pull the barrel out, and that is the FMK 9C1 disassembled very easily. Now to put it back together, you put the barrel back in, you push the spring back in, you align the 2 rails and pull back. You fire the trigger, and that is the FMK 9C1 disassembled.